welcome back to my channel. All right guys, so I just wanted to come up here. I've been gone all day and I thought before I get my pajamas on and get ready to, you know, sit down on the couch for a while, I just wanted to come up here and tell you guys happy Valentine's Day. I really wanted to say that I appreciate you guys so much. And you know, ever since I lost my mom, it's changed me inside. Not that I was all that terrible to begin with, but it has really made me think about the people that I love, the people in my life, my family, my friends, and even all of you. And many of you, I just know you by name, and because you comment on my videos. I may never meet you, but you know what? You still have a place in my heart. And I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that, you know, I get very few mean comments. Usually if I get a comment, like an off-color comment, it's usually kind of strange. Like, for some reason, people think I'm transgender. But, you guys, this has been a lot of fun on YouTube. I've really enjoyed it, and I don't know, the friendships, you guys, and I know we all say it, but I'm taking this opportunity for Valentine's Day just to come on here and tell you guys thank you for supporting me, for always being so kind to me. You have no idea just what it does for me. And I really appreciate each and every one of you. I have so many great friends that are other content creators, and we've gotten together. And hopefully, you know, I'm going to get to meet up with Candy, Sweet Love for LV. No. Candy Style. Oh, Lord, you guys. Okay. I'm not going to edit this out. This is the real me. This is just like on the fly, okay? I came up here looking for my phone and I thought, I might as well just sit down and film something. But I do have a little something else that I got myself for Valentine's Day. Keith and I don't usually make a big deal out of Valentine's Day. I don't suspect that I'm going to get anything from him. Not that I even care. Every now and then he will surprise me, but we've been married for 20 years and been together almost 22, so you know, it's not a big deal. We're gonna go out, I think Saturday night. We're gonna go out to dinner to a place called Canyon Grill, and it's up on the mountain. It just has the best ambiance, and I just love to eat there. And so anyway, that's what we're gonna do Saturday. Tomorrow he's working, and I'm just gonna be doing some watercolor and just planning out some art lessons. But you guys, I wanted to show you what I painted for my son and his fiance, and it's little Drew's foot, and it says somebody loves you, and it says Drew Henry. So I'm going to sign the back. I don't know if I have a frame here. I'll frame it if I do, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. So I turned his little foot into a little bunny rabbit. I just thought it was cute, and I thought as he grows, I'll make a few of these for different occasions. As his foot grows, I thought that would be really cute. But anyway, guys, and maybe I could even frame them like in one big frame. But this is what I made for them, their Valentines. And I picked the girls up some things today, so I'm gonna get to see them tomorrow. I'm so excited. Take them their Valentines. I just wanted to say that Valentines should be in your heart every day. You know, every day. Just show the people that you love how much you love them every single day. That's what I'm trying to do, you guys. I don't want to take anything for granted. Ever. And I know sometimes we do, but I'm really trying not to. But thank you guys all so much for your kind words. When my mom passed away, Dee Dee Bean sent flowers to the funeral home. You guys, Dee Dee Bean, I'm going to link her channel below. Please go subscribe to her. She's the #1 sweetest person, one of the sweetest people I've ever known. She's genuinely a kind sweetheart. So I'm going to link her channel below so you guys can go over there and just subscribe to her. But all my friends have been so loving and kind to me, and all of you have been so sweet, and I just want to say thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day. But Valentine's Day is not just for lovers, it's for the people that you love, okay? For me, it's more for my grandchildren. I adore those grandchildren. All right, guys, so this is my bag of the day. So I just got back from Hobby Lobby, and I like the way this chain looks on this. So I usually kind of like it to the side like that. I think that's really cute with this little, or not chain, my bag charm. So I think that's so pretty on this backpack. This is my favorite backpack. I absolutely love this. It's just so comfortable and so good. So that's what I'm gonna carry for the next couple of days. So now, you guys, I've got a small unboxing because I wanted it, okay? And I thought, hey, it's for Valentine's, from me to me. It's nothing major, but it's really cute, so I can't wait to see it. All right. Okay. I need my killer knife. You guys, I've got 4 boxes here that need to be unboxed. But we're just gonna unbox this one because this is my other small Valentine that I got for myself. And then one of these unboxings, okay, now I'm confused. I think this is my small, yeah, I think it is. One of them, Saturday, I'm gonna have a collaboration with Dee Dee Bean. So one of them is the collaboration, and then one of them is a very special unboxing. And gosh, I have no idea what this is. You know what? Let's go ahead and do the mystery box. No, let's do the Valentine box first. So, yeah, so that'll leave me with 2 boxes over here. All right, so this is my other small Valentine gift from me to me. And we're supposed to love ourselves, you guys. Not to the point of, you know, being obnoxious, but care about yourself. Love yourself. Treat yourself. It's okay. All right, so it is from Coach. It's in a small box. They put all this padding in here to put this in it. But this is great. I love it when the padding is like this. This is great to stuff your bags with. So I love that. And I do usually keep these boxes because these are great for sending gifts and things like that. Okay, so I just got this small little item. Open it up. It was in the Valentine section. And I got myself the quilted red card holder. I love the size of it. Now, I really like this because it has 1, 2, it's got this very generous looking opening in the middle, and then 2 more on the side. So this is gonna hold a lot of cards. I needed a pop of color in my bag. Like, I looked in my bag and everything was Louis Vuitton, or let's see, I have a Portland leather good that sometimes I use, but I needed a pop of color. This was on the Valentine section, and I thought, that is so nice, and I love the quilting, and I need more red in my life, you guys. I really do. I was even looking through my closet. I do not have one red blouse. I mean, I've had red blouses. I think I have a red cami. I need more red in my life, so I had a hard time picking between this one and the pink, but I really do need some red, and I thought this was so pretty. And I think that a red wallet or card holder, correct me if I'm wrong, is supposed to bring you money or good luck or something like that. Anyway, I'll take it. Good luck, more money, anything. But I think this is very pretty. It's that beautiful red quilting, the beautiful silver hardware on it, just really, really pretty. It's quilted on both sides, so I just thought this was really pretty, and I thought I'm gonna pick that up too. So, but you guys, I've been wanting a certain card holder from Louis Vuitton. I'll post it right up here. I'll link it right up here so you guys can see it, or link it. I will I will put it up here so you can see it. And you guys, it's over $500. I have a really hard time spending that kind of money on small leather goods. I love Coach small leather goods. And like I said, if I do get something that's a luxury small leather good, it's because it's something I'm just going to use all the time. But I don't have not one Louis Vuitton card holder. I don't have a luxury card holder. I have Coach. I have TORY BURCH. Yeah, that's it, I think. But that's okay, because look how pretty. I mean, if this were Dior or something, it would be $500 if you had a D on it instead of a C, right? So, oh, and by the way, my earrings are from Jules Mademoiselle, or Mademoiselle Jules. I'll put the link below. So I have one gold hoop and a silver puffy heart, and then a silver loop and a gold puffy heart. And you can even buy the charms and interchange. I love this brand, you guys. These are all I have right now, but I've been looking on the website because I think I want to get another pair of earrings. I love fun earrings. All right, guys, so this is my cute little gift to myself, and I really, really like it. Okay, now, oh, I know what this is. I'll go ahead and unbox it. I just thought of it. I think I know what it is. I hope nothing jumps out at me. Let me just go ahead and see what it is. I think I know what it is right now. All right. Oh, okay. This wasn't for me. It's not what I was thinking. Okay, but I'll just go ahead and show it to you. So it's from TORY BURCH. And just for fun, I'll go ahead and show you. My daughter is starting a boutique. She wants to start a business. She wants to do a giveaway. Oh, how pretty. It's TORY BURCH. It's a wristlet. So she's going to have an online presence. I think she may do some selling on YouTube. I don't really, not YouTube, Facebook. I'm not really sure. But I know she's going to have an online presence for a while. Maybe later a brick and mortar, but this is her giveaway. Oh my gosh, you guys. And this was on sale. Now I think I need one. Look how pretty. I love wristlets. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. That is gorgeous. Wow. Somebody's going to get this, and it's not me. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to take all this off. And even what is so neat, no, that doesn't come off. It has a hook here, but that doesn't come off. But that's okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I ordered this for her. I believe it was on the TORY BURCH website in the sales section. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to be shocked if she keeps it. But she said she wanted to do a really nice giveaway. And the name of her online boutique is going to be The Style House. So we'll see how it goes. We've had a boutique in the past. I think I've told you guys that before, she and I together. But it was mostly formal wear. We had a boutique in the front of the store, and then she also had a salon in the back. So we'll see how it goes, you guys. But if she gets a website up, I'll definitely share it with you guys because my daughter has great style, and I think she's going to do really well with it. I ordered some skincare, and I thought that's what it was. This will go to her. So pretty. All right, so that's really all I have, you guys. Look at my little pin I'm wearing. So I'm wearing these little Vans overalls, and I wear this a lot. My little artist pin. And I went to Hobby Lobby. I took an old oil painting that my mom had that this old man gave it to her years ago in Detroit. And it's older than me, you guys, so it's like so ancient. I wanted to get it reframed in a frame that looks old, so I can't wait, like a vintage looking frame, so I can't wait to get it back, and I'll definitely share it with you guys. And then I took my Christmas Louis Vuitton bag. I got it framed, so I can't wait to get that stuff back. I love the bags that I have framed. I have one up here, one here, and then two in my closet, so I can't wait to get this new one. All right, guys, so really, that's all I have for you today. I will link the Coach and the TORY BURCH below. Be sure and check out Dee Dee Bean, you guys. She's great. She's great. She goes above and beyond everything she does. So anyway, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day. I love you guys. You mean so much to me. I just don't know what I would do without this channel. I mean, I love doing what I do. And if it weren't for you guys watching me and encouraging me and you guys being there for me, I couldn't do this. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you all so much. Peace.